How to reactivate deleted TikTok account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the one you prefer or one you can log in your TikTok to. I'll simply use Google account, so press on continue with Google. After you have selected your Google account, as you can see, this kind of screen is popping up. So simply click on reactivate at the bottom, and then your TikTok account will be opened in this way. You need to simply add your email or username or Google or Facebook, and you can simply click on reactivate and your account will be reactivated. This is how to reactivate deleted TikTok account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.